As it was reported by bloggers that Uminintuli will not be attending the reunion of season 5 of The Real Housewives of Durban, you guys, Uminintuli has kind of opened up about that, you guys. It has been reported that they've already wrapped up the reunion of season 5, and Uminintuli says that, you know what, you know, not without the bigger threat. Basically, I will tell my side of the story, but in a different way. Yes, she will not be in studio, but she revealed that, she has decided to do things her own way. She says, I've decided to share my stories from Real Housewives of Durban, season 5, in a different way. And an unreunion of sorts is a different chance for me to be authentic, honest about my experiences with all highs and lows. I'll be opening up about the things I would have told you guys at the reunion, and I hope you'll find the answers you've been looking for. It's not about grand gestures, but about genuine connections, about sharing my truth. So it seems like Ominin Tuli will be doing things her own way. I'm guessing she'll be doing it on her YouTube, or maybe on a monetizing platform like Facebook, you guys. What do you think? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Oh well, and before she posted this video a couple of weeks ago, it has been announced that Umi Nintili will not be a part of the Real Housewives of Durban reunion, and people were actually fuming as to why she decided to do that, particularly because they wanted to see how she's going to handle Ulondi London. Um, she basically disrespected Wendy London onto the show, you guys. I must say, we also that people are saying she must face whatever that she created back then. Anyways, what do you think about this? Please do engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below, and also do make sure that you do subscribe if you haven't yet done so. I'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.